This breakthrough discovery may be the key to reverse kidney disease. Just by supplementing 400 milligrams of this mineral daily, patients are completely reversing kidney disease. Kerstin here. I've been working with people suffering from kidney problems for almost 10 years now. And if there is one thing that every single patient absolutely needs to restore and protect kidney function, is to keep their minerals in balance. In fact, keeping certain minerals in balance is key to protect your heart, your bones, your vessels, and it's also 100% needed to protect the kidneys from the dangers associated with the progression of CKD. Most people with kidney problems suffer from mineral and bone disorder, a serious complication of CKD that's also a cause of kidney damage. Guys, there are 5 key facts, 5 mineral hacks that can make a huge difference with CKD. Let's see what they are, starting with one of the most underrated minerals on earth to restore kidney function. Recent study linked this mineral both to a rapid increase in GFR and also to a whopping 13% decrease in creatinine that was obtained in just 6 weeks. Number 5. Selenium. Selenium is an essential mineral with an incredibly underrated kidney repairing benefit. Researchers were able to prove a link between low serum levels of this essential mineral and impaired renal function. What this also means is that supplementing this key mineral may be a strategy to repair the kidneys. According to recent research, selenium may improve kidney function by directly lowering inflammation and oxidative stress. Selenium is a powerful mineral that is essential for the proper functioning of our bodies. It plays a critical role in metabolism and for thyroid function. But many people have low levels of it because modern farming techniques are depleting the soil from this mineral. Here's a simple hack to use selenium to improve kidney health. Regularly take a selenium supplement with a CoQ10 supplement. The positive effect these two molecules can have when combined together is terrific. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant and you will notice a difference if you supplement it. But pairing it with CoQ10 may be one of the best things you can do for your kidneys. This is what a recent study found out. Kidney disease patients who supplemented 100 micrograms of selenium and 200 milligrams of CoQ10 were able to enjoy a rapid increase in GFR and also a whopping 13% decrease in creatinine levels that was obtained in just 6 weeks. Okay guys, what not many people know is that selenium can also be used to greatly improve thyroid function. Never underestimate this benefit. If you have CKD, your thyroid is very likely not working at 100%, and this can make kidney disease progress faster, according to studies. But there is one mineral hack that has been proven even more effective than supplementing selenium in terms of improved thyroid function. Number 4. Iodine. Iodine is an essential mineral. The thyroid basically runs on iodine. Never underestimate the importance of your thyroid. If it doesn't work well, symptoms may seriously affect your kidneys and many other parts of your body. Symptoms of serious iodine deficiency include enlargement of the thyroid gland causing a bulge in the neck or goiter, but also fatigue, constipation, sensitivity to cold temperatures, and in some cases unexplained weight gain. Now, what you may not know about iodine is that table salt, which is usually enriched with iodine, is where most people get most of this mineral. Now, how much table salt do you have in your diet? If your answer is not at all, consider this. According to studies, iodine deficiency is one of the most common nutrient deficiencies affecting nearly a third of the world's population. So here's a simple hack that may have a huge positive impact on your kidney function. There is a strong correlation between thyroid function and kidney function. The good news, it's very easy to improve kidney function by normalizing thyroid function. To achieve this, first of all, consider adding one superfood to your diet. Wakame! Wakame is one of the major types of edible seaweed. This sea vegetable is widely used in Asian dishes. It's sold dry, and after soaking, wakame can easily replace leafy greens in your favorite salads. This seaweed is not just a great source of iodine, it has an impressive nutritional profile actually. And also get checked regularly for thyroid function and take steps to improve it if it needed. Researchers have been studying the correlation between kidney and thyroid function in depth, and it appears clear that almost every single CKD patient has an underactive thyroid gland. This is a direct cause of kidney damage. Good news is that improving thyroid function is a way to improve kidney function according to several studies. And guys, this is amazing! It's a proven fact that renal function improves with the treatment of hypothyroidism. What this means is that for many patients, just adding more iodine-rich foods and maybe taking a thyroid medication may be a way to improve their kidney function. Okay, let's talk about phosphorus. Managing phosphorus is one of the hardest parts of the kidney diet, but it's also something you must do if you want to restore kidney health. Phosphorus is the reason why dairy is restricted. Milk, cheese, butter, yogurt contain too much phosphorus to be healthy. When this mineral accumulates, the body will put out calcium from the bones. High phosphorus levels are also associated with a faster decline in kidney function and higher chance of death. But today we will see how to stop worrying about this dangerous mineral once and for all. Number 3. Phosphorus hack. To manage phosphorus in people with kidney problems, restricting certain foods will always be the first step. But you know, a diet that takes an excessive toll on the mind of the patients is seldom a good diet. And while prescription potassium binders are an option, there is a less known home remedy for phosphorus levels that can seriously help you improve your kidney health. This is calcium carbonate, sold either as supplement or as antacid tablets by Tom's and many other brands. Calcium carbonate sticks to the phosphorus in the foods you eat. The phosphorus is then removed through the bowel, effectively stopping your body from taking extra phosphorus in. According to a recent study, effects on blood levels and kidney health may be visible in just 3 weeks. The interesting part here is that calcium carbonate not only is just as effective as many prescription phosphorus binders, it may even have less side effects, and it's obviously a lot cheaper. And if you think this tip was interesting, I have 2 even better tips to restore your kidney function and balance your minerals. In particular, don't miss our number 1, as it's an incredible way to restore kidney function thanks to just 1 mineral. Now before that, how to turn the extra calcium you're getting from these antacids into actual bones and prevent vessel calcification. Number 2, take vitamin K2 for calcium. Calcium deficiency is a common and serious problem for people suffering from CKD. If levels of calcium are low, itchy skin, bone pain, and brittleness, weak immune system, but also heart problems are common. While one of the best ways to avoid this problem is being very careful with phosphorus intake and supplementing some calcium, there's more to this issue than surface. Because this extra calcium needs to go in the bones and not in the arteries. How to do this? Vitamin K2 can help. This little known vitamin can be a serious help to restore kidney health. Studies confirm that an increased intake of this nutrient can prevent cardiovascular-related death in people with kidney problems. This is because the function of vitamin K2 is to regulate calcium deposition. Vitamin K2 works in tandem with vitamin D3 to deposit calcium in the bones and not in the veins and kidneys. According to many experts, this could lead to a serious improvement in kidney health. Studies use doses between 100 micrograms and 400 micrograms per day. The safest route is always to start with a lower dosage, 100 micrograms, and to consult a doctor. As I was saying, to get the benefits from vitamin K2, you also need vitamin D3. If you want to know more about how to supplement vitamin D3, please watch this video up here. Now guys, time to see the number 1 most useful mineral when it comes to restoring kidney function. There's been a recent development in the treatment of mineral and bone disorder that may seriously help you improving your kidney function. Researchers have found a way to supplement a mineral that's crucial to the body's function. Just like for essential vitamins, you cannot live without enough of it. It helps keep blood pressure normal, bones strong, and the heart rhythm steady. Unfortunately, a deficiency in this mineral is very common among people with kidney problems, especially those taking diuretics and diabetics. And it may cause poor sleep, high blood pressure, inflammation, and high uric acid levels. I'm talking about magnesium oxide supplements. While it was believed that increasing magnesium levels through oral supplementation wasn't possible, today researchers may have found a way, and this can have a dramatic effect on your kidney health and creatinine levels. What a recent study on CKD patients found out is that supplementing magnesium carbonate or citrate won't raise serum magnesium levels. Researchers believe that magnesium oxide is the best option. In a study on hypertension in kidney disease, participants took between 240 and 160 milligrams of magnesium oxide each day to lower their blood pressure. The researchers found out that taking 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium supplements daily was the best dosage. Taking magnesium with vitamin B6 has also shown to improve absorption significantly. And if you want to learn more about what vitamins and minerals are key for a better kidney function and what foods you need to eat to get them, this video up here is for you, and this is all for today. Thank you for watching. God bless.